At first, you need to click on the search bar. Then type turn Windows features on or off. Then find Hyper-V. Then put a check mark on Hyper-V. Now click OK. It will load its necessary files. To complete the installation, now click Restart Now. Click on the search bar and type Hyper-V, then press Enter. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Hyper-V. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Thank you for watching.